Welcome to episode 2 of the Forester Revival. Got a big problem with the car here, so it's actually really cold for Houston today. It's probably about 40 degrees outside. And whenever it's cold outside, you start up the Forester, everything sounds great. You put it into drive, and you go absolutely nowhere. So, am I going to mess with this today? Absolutely not. You throw it down in the first, and it drives. So that's good enough for me. What I'm gonna mess with today is a problem that bothers me way more, and that it smokes more than Dick Trickle. So I'm gonna mess with it with my friend Grant today and see if we can get it figured out, because I suspect it's the power steering lines leaking right onto my exhaust manifold. This car uses ATF for its power steering fluid, and that's definitely not flammable at all. So let's see if we can get it figured out today, and if not a big deal. It's nice to know that it's got fluid in it and it'll actually, work. Well, I investigated it with my friend Grant. Did not film it, but we've come to a very, very desperate conclusion. I don't even think that's the right word, and I don't care. So, if you look down in there, you can see that's my differential dipstick. I got him to wriggle his arm in there, and we pulled it out, and found that my differential's full of ATF. I don't even really know what I'm doing, but I know that that's wrong. So I think we've got an internal seal failure from my front differential to the transmission, and it's all sloshed around in there making buddies when it really shouldn't be. So we're not going to be able to address that today. Do I have a spare transmission and front differential hanging out in this very garage? Absolutely. Don't want to do it today, don't have time. So I'm going to check out the other problem, which is what I thought it was, is if you see this hose, nice and solid for the power steering, see this hose, jangly. So hopefully we can get that fixed today, and I'll just hope and pray that I've got time to replace the entire transmission and differential another day. So hopefully I can convince Grant to film me wriggling down there trying to get that tightened up, but that's about all I'm going to get done today. Well, I got it tightened, so that one's nice and snug. This one nice and snug. Maybe it won't smoke so much when I'm at a red light, and it'll embarrass me slightly less, but my bigger concern is the leaky transmission into the differential. So that'll be for episode who knows, as long as the car doesn't burn down before then. So we'll see you next time, and that's a job complete.